Donald Trump, Your Excellency, God show me one vision about USA, America. The power wey God put for that place is a heavy power. Any country wey no bow for America, the country go get problem. It's a useless country. As God show me that power. As God show me that power now, USA, Donald Trump, he no one sitting. He no one sitting. You wey you dey see your labor, make you try to adjust yourself. God bless everyone.